These three breakfast bowls have been on repeat in my kitchen lately, and for good reason. They're simple, protein-rich, high in fiber, and come together in about 10 minutes using pantry beans. And honestly, this Ful-Inspired one, it's our family favorite right now. You can keep them as is or add a boiled or a jammy egg to make them even more filling. Let's get started. Ful-Inspired breakfast bean bowl, our family favorite. This one is warm, comforting, and one of those breakfasts that actually keeps you full for hours. It's simple but really satisfying, and we keep coming back to it. Start with olive oil and sauté garlic. Add chickpeas and gigante beans. Then a splash of vegetable broth. Season with salt, pepper, paprika and za'atar and lightly mash. Add chopped tomatoes and optional fresh onions. Cover and cook for about 3 minutes. Transfer to a bowl. Drizzle olive oil. Squeeze fresh lime juice and top with scallions, jalapenos, and cilantro. Serve with toasted sourdough on the side. Protein-rich, high in fiber, and really satisfying. I don't know what it is about this one, but we just keep making it again and again. Spicy chickpea and spinach power bowl. This one is for when you want something a little bolder. There's spice, tang, crunch, and a lot of texture, so it doesn't feel like a typical healthy breakfast. Start by sautéing onions in olive oil. Stir in chickpeas. Add garlic, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. If you enjoy simple, healthy meals like these, subscribe. I share recipes that actually fit into our everyday routines. Stir again with a splash of vegetable broth, then coarsely mash. Add spinach and cook until just wilted. Transfer to a bowl and top it with dill pickles, jalapenos, scallions, sun-dried tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, and chili oil. A great mix of protein and fiber with lots of flavor in every bite. The pickles really bring this one to life. You get that little kick in every bite. We actually had this by the pool with some fresh orange juice, and it was just perfect. Protein-rich Lupini avocado bowl, macro balanced and low calories. And this one is lighter, fresher, and really easy to put together, but still filling enough to keep you going, especially if you don't want something too heavy in the morning. Start with olive oil, garlic, scallion whites, and lupini beans in a pan. Season with salt and pepper, then turn off the heat. Add nutritional yeast, scallion greens, chopped pickles or pickled jalapenos, fresh jalapenos, add avocado, drizzle olive oil, and gently fold everything together. Transfer to a bowl and finish with fresh lime juice. I didn't realize how protein-rich lupini beans are, and they are surprisingly low in calories too. This has been such a great option for a post-workout breakfast. All the 3 bowls come together in about 10 minutes if you have cooked or canned beans ready. They are flexible, customizable, and great for breakfast or even lunch the next day with rice or quinoa. But if you try one, start with the Ful-Inspired bowl. That's the one we keep going back to. Let me know which one's your favorite, and see you in the next one.